Managing time efficiently is crucial for productivity and maintaining a balanced life. Here are some quick tips and tricks to help you make the most of your time. First, let's talk about the Pomodoro Technique. How it works. Break your work into 25-minute intervals, which we call Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Why it helps. This method helps maintain focus and reduces burnout by allowing frequent breaks. Next up is prioritizing tasks with the Eisenhower Matrix. How it works. Categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, important but not urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. Why it helps. This approach helps you focus on what truly matters and avoid spending time on less critical tasks. Finally, let's discuss time blocking. How it works. Allocate specific blocks of time for different activities or tasks throughout your day. Why it helps. This technique helps you structure your day more effectively and reduces procrastination by assigning dedicated time slots for tasks. Use a task management app. Utilize apps like Todoist, Trello, or Asana to organize and track your tasks and projects. It provides a clear overview of your tasks, deadlines, and progress, making it easier to stay on top of your responsibilities. Implement the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately instead of postponing it. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Set SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This provides clarity and a clear path to achieving your objectives, making it easier to manage your time effectively. 7. Delegate and outsource. Assign tasks to others or hire help for activities that are not the best use of your time. This approach frees up your time for higher priority tasks and activities where you add the most value. 8. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize sources of distractions such as notifications, unnecessary meetings, or noisy environments. Doing this helps you stay focused and complete tasks more efficiently. 9. Establish routines. Create consistent daily or weekly routines for repetitive tasks. This reduces decision fatigue and makes task completion more automatic and efficient. Review and reflect regularly. Periodically review your progress and assess how you're spending your time. This helps you identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies to better align with your goals. Batch similar tasks. Group similar tasks together and complete them in one go. This reduces the time spent switching between different types of tasks and improves efficiency. Use the 1-minute rule for organizing. If a task or item can be organized or completed in 1 minute, do it right away. This prevents small tasks from accumulating and keeps your environment and schedule more manageable. By integrating these time management hacks into your daily routine, you can boost productivity, reduce stress, and create more time for activities you enjoy. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you and watch your efficiency soar.